right, this is the guitar solo from Killer Queen by Queen, Brian May on guitar. It's going to start out with this thing on the and of a 3. It's going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to bend that 8 on the second string on the and of 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then we get into the next measure. We go. So 2 bends on the 8 on the second string. Let it come down and then hit the 8 again. Then we have a 6 to 5 to 7 on the G. So we have 1, 2, 3. So here we have little 5 to 6 to 8 on the second, back to little 5. So and you kind of have staccato notes on the 5 and the 8. And we have a pull off here, 6 to 5 on the second to 7 on the G. So we got 1, 2, 3. So here we're going to have the 6th fret of the 2nd string. We're going to bend it up and down. So we did up and down and then hit the 6 again and then little 3 and then 4 to 3 to 5 on the G. Next part goes little 3, 4 to 6 on the B string, 3, 4, 3, 5 on the G. So the whole thing is 1, 2, 3. Then we have a couple of hammer-ons, 1 to 3 in the D string real quick. Okay, then we have the next part. We got, so we have 7 on the G string, to the 16, to the 15 up and down bend. We got, so that's 18 on the second. Hit it again, pull it off. 16, 15 to 17. Here I just go 17, then a couple bends on this 15. So we get into a little cool little run here. We're gonna have. So we're gonna get in here with the ring finger on the 15 on the 2nd string. We're gonna have a 12. We're gonna pull off 2 in a second. We're gonna go. So we go up the scale there a little bit. So we have 15 and then 15, 12, 13, 12, 15, 13, 16, 15, 18 to 16 pull off after that. So here we have 16, 2 times, go to the 18, 15 to 16 on the 1st string, big bend on the 18 to the 16 on the 2nd, 16 on the 3rd string, we have a little 18 down here in the 2nd, 16, 15, 15, 17, 16, we have the 18 up, and then we go. Okay, so we bend that 18, got the 18 underneath it. And then get into a 1.5 step bend there. So the whole thing, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we have a lot more stuff going on in this solo. A lot of cool stuff in the background. Now the first thing is when it goes, we're gonna have 3 different notes. It's gonna be like a, So it's like this chord of D going into D sharp with the 2-3-2 into the 3-4-3, but they all have kind of their own different endings. So this first one, we're going to go 2 to 3 on the G string. We're going to go. Okay, so we slide from 2 into 3 twice, and then we go 3, 4, 5, 8. Okay, so it's. Okay, and that goes in harmony with one that's going 3 to 4, so it's. So this one's kind of weird. It goes 4 to 3 to 6 to 10, and that tells you what kind of levels he's seeing his harmony stuff on. Okay, so the first one is. And the second one is. Okay, and then the third one is going to go from the 2 to the 3 down here. So we got. And that's like the first one was on the G string, the 3, 4, 5 up to 8. Okay, and then the solo keeps going, and we have a couple more things to get layered on as we go. Let's take a look at this again. We got. Now here's where the layered things come in. So one of them goes 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and. So here we have a 16th fret of the second string. It's going to come in on the and of the 1. And then we're going to have a 15 come in on the and of the 3. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and. So we go to the 14, 1 and. Here we go 3 and straight up on that beat there. Instead of waiting, we got 16 to 17. 13. Okay, so it's going to go 13, and then 14 to 13 to 12. 12, 13, 15. Half step bends on that 15 on the second string. And then we have a little half step bend on the 15 with 15 underneath it. And then we got to get up to a 1.5 step bend. We got the and of the 1 and the and of the 3. So 1 and 2, 3 and 1 and. Get way up there to match that other 1.5 step bend up there. Okay, then we have one more part for that stuff. Now this one's going to come in even after that last one did. So that last one came in with like 1 and 2, 3 and. This is going to be after that one. So it's going to go boom dee, boom dee. So we have two 15s and then a 15 to 17 hammer on. And then things get a little more normal here. 13. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 15, 15, 15 right there. This is going to end with a 14 half step to the 16. Two little half step bends on that 14 again, and then bend that 17 on the G, kind of slowly up. So it kind of sounds like doom dee dum. This is gonna be that third one. Dum dee dum da dee dum. Okay, so 13, 13, 12. Okay, that gives us all of our cool harmony parts on that. Once again, we had like the. Okay, so those outside ones did the same thing, but this one went. Okay, let's look at the solo one more time. We got 1, 2, 3. high part, 17. And that's where these other parts come in. 1. Okay, and then the final one more time. 1, 2, and. Okay, truly artistic solo, creative stuff by Brian May of Queen. Super awesome, killer Queen. Tabs with this. Talk to y'all soon. Thanks a lot.